Okay, after having done with the definition of transpose of a matrix, children, we have two different categories of study of transpose of a matrix. Under the heading transpose of a matrix, we have symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? If the transpose of a matrix, if the transpose of a matrix is itself, then we say that it is a then matrix A is called as the symmetric matrix. If matrix A is such that its transpose is equal to negative of original matrix A, then it is called as skew symmetric matrix. So again, this transpose of a matrix, this concept can be divided further into two different concepts. One is symmetric matrix and another is skew symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? A symmetric matrix is that matrix whose transpose is itself, and skew symmetric matrix is that matrix whose transpose is equal to negative of the original matrix. Best example of transpose of a matrix is identity matrix. Identity matrix. If you consider identity matrix of order 2, say to 1 0 0 1, if you consider its transpose, then it will be again 1 0 0 1, which is equal to I2 only. In general, I transpose is equal to I. Hence, identity matrix is generally categorized as symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, if you consider, let us take an example, say matrix B, which is equal to 0 1 2 minus 1 0 5, then minus 2 minus 5 0. If you consider this matrix, if you consider its transpose, B transpose, what you are going to get? This is equal to, this first row will become first column 0 1 2, then second row is going to become second column minus 1 0 5, and the third row is going to become third column minus 2 minus 5 0. Excuse me. If you want to multiply this matrix by minus 1, suppose I want to calculate minus B transpose, then using scalar multiplication property, I have to multiply this minus 1 to the entire matrix. That means I have to multiply this minus 1 with each and every entry of the matrix. So 0 into minus 1 will be 0, minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1, minus 2 into minus 1 will be 2, 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, 0 into minus 1 will be 0, minus 5 into minus 1 will be 5, 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2, 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5, 0 into minus 1 will be 0. But to our surprise, this is nothing but the original matrix B. This is your B matrix. This is your B matrix. This is your original B matrix. Or you can write this equation, these two quantities you can relate like this: minus B transpose is equal to B, or you can say that B transpose, this minus sign you can transfer it to B itself. So B transpose is equal to minus B. Hence, we come to the conclusion that this B matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. One important note I want to make it: you can see any kind of example of a skew symmetric matrix. You can note that, very importantly, its diagonal elements are always 0. And in symmetric matrix, diagonal, whatsoever may be the diagonal elements, but the non-diagonal elements are symmetric with respect to each other. And that non-symmetry is seen over here. If this is 1, then about or across the diagonal, we can see that the elements have, they are negative of each other. If this is 1, it's minus 1. If it is first row, third column, third row, first column, they are having anti signs, opposite signs. Similarly, second row, third column, third row, second column, they are having opposite signs. So this is a very good observation when you consider a skew symmetric matrix. So first thing, skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are 0 and there is an anti-symmetry, or there is a negative, each this element about diagonal elements, they are anti-symmetrically placed. If it is a positive element, it will be a negative element, like this. The oppositely signed elements are placed across diagonal. So this is what the basic difference between symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. I repeat, transpose of a matrix, we have seen it is divided into two categories, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. These concepts. What is a symmetric matrix? If it transposes itself, best example is identity matrix. And skew symmetric matrix, a transpose of the matrix is equal to the negative of the original matrix. As we have seen such an example, it's a very good example. Skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are 0 and across diagonal elements, about diagonal elements, we can see that the elements are oppositely signed. Okay, so this is what basic concept. The properties of transpose can be discussed in the next video.